This is the bathroom. Super cute bathroom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas. Today is Friday and I am starting this vlog in the middle of the day again. I'm actually headed to New York, so I am in the LIR, New Jersey Transit actually. I'm heading to New York. I'm gonna have some fun today and I'm gonna go see my daddy because I miss him so much. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll get back to you guys when I get to New York. It's so loud, I'm sorry. I'll be back. Slow focus. Look at my old man, y'all. Say hi to my vlog, daddy. Say hi, daddy.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
I had to make him change his hat because y'all don't want to see the hat he had on anyway. But yeah. Absolutely not. Mad they even calling you to work. Like, it's time for you to relax. So I'm at my dad's house and we're talking about how rent is extremely high in New York. Don't forgive me, I look raggedy, but it's ridiculous. Look at that. Look at my man. Look at my man. Say hi. Hi, Papa. Say hi again, Papa. Look at my man. Hey, y'all. So I'm in BBQ's and I'm waiting for my homegirl. I'm trying to put in my earphones, but I'm waiting for my homegirl now. And they shut everything down. Absolutely no dining, but I got my little drink here. Period. Cool. I'm waiting for my homegirl. And we're going to head to her house for a little bit and just relax. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. Y'all, so I'm in here trying to color my hair. And y'all seen the red hair that I had previously in my vlogs. But I wanted it to go darker. I feel like this is not even doing it justice. Like, this came out so fire. And yeah, y'all see, look at this. Horrible. But yeah, you guys, so this is what my day consists of. Look at that. Oh my god. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this against the skin color? Whoa! Ciao. Alright, I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's and also good morning because it is about 8 o'clock in the morning and I am feeling like total crap. Today is my move day. Well, I wouldn't say necessarily my move day, but my boxes are going to be shipped out today, so it's like so bittersweet, y'all. I'm gonna show you what I got done so far. I still have so much to do because I'm going to get rid of so many things. I wanted to limit everything to about 10 boxes, so I think I was pretty successful in that. And yeah, I'm about to show you guys so far. Like, this is so bittersweet. But anyway, don't mind my hair. I have my hair in a pineapple. I did a wash and go. It's so healthy. Y'all see this? Oh my god, I'm looking a little rough here. But I have to go get some, look at all this stuff. I have to go get some last minute stuff from like Kohl's and stuff. Because I have to wrap my couch up and everything. So I'm gonna go get that done. But anyway, yeah, let me show you guys what I got done so far. So this is my living room. I'm still packing a little bit of stuff. I have so much kitchen appliances. If I could get past through here. This is a lot of stuff, you guys. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I still have to take this down. And yeah, don't mind all this stuff. Most of the stuff is going in a garbage. But my room is like, look at this. I can't believe this. Like, this is really happening, okay? This is really happening. But yeah, we're getting somewhere. This is just so much clothes. This is already a bag of clothes that I'm giving away. And I'm gonna go do this. And yeah. So, it's almost about that time, y'all. You guys, this is so bittersweet. The guys went outside. The truck is actually around the corner. And I'm watching the TVs because y'all, they be stealing my packages in here, and I'll be damned if they steal my TVs. Okay, so I'm waiting for him, and I'm gonna show you guys the truck. Oh my God, this is so real right now. I cannot believe it. So bittersweet. No problem. Oh my God! Y'all, like,
it's the equipment. I didn't care about that.
fucking official. Your girl is out of here.
Yes, make sure you fuck this up.
Period. Period. No, I'm vlogging. Say hi to my YouTube. It's official, you guys. I'm so excited.
That way.
Welcome back. So it is the next day, and it is pretty much late in the day now. I had a lot of running around to do. I didn't take you guys with me, unfortunately, but we have a lot to do tomorrow, so we will be doing a lot tomorrow. In the meantime, I wanted to show you guys my place because it is like so bittersweet, and it's crazy because I shipped off all the boxes and everything yesterday, but I still feel like I have so much stuff. So this stuff I'm really gonna sort out and just give away and throw away because this is insane. I need to minimalize, especially when I get to my new place. That's what I want to do. I need to learn how to minimalize because there's no excuse for this shit, like for real. But let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like so far. Got rid of the couch, everything. And look, it's still so much, right? This is insane. Clothes and everything. So I'll be back when this place is completely clean. So you guys, the apartment is finally empty. This is so bittersweet, but I'm honestly ready to get out of here. Y'all, just did a deep clean. Everything is cleaned. So I never really gave you guys an apartment tour, so here it is. This is the bathroom. Super cute bathroom. So cute. Oh, here's my room. My room was so freaking cute. It was pretty spacious. I wish I had another closet, but this is the closet. So cute. This is like the boiler room. This is where I have my TV stands. Little kitchen. My living room. Oh, look at this. Wow. Well, time for some bigger and better things, y'all. Stay tuned.